the 2018 Ford Fusion Hybrid. This four-door, five-passenger sedan leads among competitors in its segment. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, a power seat, an outside temperature display, and cruise control. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 11 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.